Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the display settings for your Amazfit scale. And to do this, you will need to get the Zep app and connect the scale with that specific app I shown you in a previous video on how to do it. Now let's open the app, go for your profile. Here's the scale that we've just added, and in the display settings, let's wait till it's connected. You might need to step on the scale to activate it. So it's connected now. You can go for the display. And here you can adjust what of the numeric values you will see. So your weight trend, muscle mass, body fat ratio, and etc. So scale down the settings. For example, let's move muscle mass on top. Or actually, we can't move through the weight trend, so the last option you need to have is weight trend, and then you can adjust them. You can also reveal the hidden body data, so like a heart rate. So let's move it instead of the body age, because it's maximum of 8 tiles, like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.